So good morning, Professor. My name is Tejasvi Parmar and my teammate name is Ashok Patel and Chintan Kumar Patel. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about the explain services, how what they are and how they are providing the services, and what is the major problem they are facing right now, and what are the solution and which one is the best solution for the companies. And so now we are moving forward to the another slide. So here is the introduction portion, and X1 Services is a leading Eastern Canadian company which are serving maintenance services as well as in operation challenges. So the company is already establishing like 35 wind and the solar farms in the North America as well as in the Canada. Company are very well reputed in the terms of the maintenance and the operationals because they are serving very innovative way and they have a very good customer satisfaction services. So as we all know that expense services are providing the solution regarding the maintenance as well as in the operations. Here they have the main issue in the supply chain. Sometimes they are facing supply chain issues because of uncertainty. They can't assume that the demand of the component and the regarding to the turbine components or the blades. Sometimes they are because they doesn't have a accurate forecasting systems maybe, or as we can say that the distribution systems they have, it's very far from their services. So that is the main issue they are facing, that kind of challenges. So I am going to discuss what the solution in the next slides. So me and my teammates are discuss and we get the three solution for this issue. The first one is the local warehousing. So if we are going to the local warehousing, then the main issue is going to be solved, that we can provide the quick and the faster access and minimal delays we can do that. The second thing is the customer satisfaction is going to be increase, and the second thing is we all know about the AI right now, right? So we are going to implement the integrating predictive analysis and AI. So with the help of AI we can uh, precisely forecast about the inventory, and we can communicate with our customers that at what time they need to do maintenance and services also. And the third one is VMI. VMI stands for the vendor management inventory systems. In that VMI has a lot of solutions such as a SAP. We can use those kind of software in our systems that very precisely helpful us in the inventory management, and it very helpful us regarding to the how we can control our inventory as well as we can provide the services at the same time. We can SAP is very good as a for the forecasting as well as we all learn SAP in this course. So SAP is the best software, I can say that, and we are moving forward to the software which one is the best solution for this issue. Now continue. One of my friend is will be continue this slide. Thank
My name is Soap, and today I will talk about analysis of the solution. As the first solution is, we decided was the optimize inventory management with local warehouse. As the advantage of it is that it will reduce the supply chain time, as the supplier will directly send their materials, their inventory to the local warehouse near maintenance site, as well as it will give an advantage point as the inventory will directly go to local warehouse to direct distributions, means to the maintenance site. Time will be reduced of the transportation. The disadvantage of this solution is this to the infrastructure of the local warehouse is high. The second solution is integrating predictive analysis with AI, as predictive analysis is the historical data collection of the historical data, uh, and the current data with the AI. We can establish a connection between it, and we can get a proper forecasting uh, with the AI, and we can identify the level of satisfaction of the customer doing by doing that. Secondly, by doing this, we can our supply chain will be not be interrupted by the any climatic change, or as well as we can identify any problem to the suppliers through AI, and by doing that we will reduce our supply chain time. The negative point of it is that this cutting edge infrastructure, we can have to develop a cutting edge infrastructure of it, and as well as there will be higher financial investment of it, and the employer should be have the knowledge of the AI and predictive analysis. The third solution, and one of the best solution, is vendor management inventory system, as we can apply VMI to our system. We can purchase a software based on VMI. So VMI is the supplier will be communicated with our company. So the supplier can see our inventory levels. By doing that, they can know that if there is an inventory low level of inventory, they can supply easily the inventory by that. Secondly, VMI can reduce the strain level and resource of the company, as well as there will be no delay in suppliers. And thirdly, that VMI needs to be communicated with both transparency, as the data is collected from the company to the suppliers. Thank you.
Good morning, Professor. Hello, everyone. My name is Chintan Kumar Patel, and I'll be taking over for the presentation from here. Coming on to the slide for approved operational challenge. In this case, for the challenges, we can use this Happen to Go for business planning, which can be used as an ideal software for SAP. By executing SAP, we can ensure the smooth supply chain and the efficiency and achieve operational excellences for the renewable sector. Coming on to the IBP integrates machine learning algorithms, which helps for accurate forecasting. Suppliers can restock by gaining real-time access to the inventory data, leading to availability of maintenance parts on time. Collaboration with the suppliers helps in decision making as well. Uh, in real time, it ability of aids recognizing potential bodies, thereby allowing proactive responses to supply chain descriptions. Moving on to the next slide, in this slide we have got overall time for SAP IBM implementation. On the left hand side we have got the phases, and on the right hand side we have the estimated time required. So starting on with the project initiation and planning, the time period is for 1 to 2 months. Data cleaning and preparation, we are giving 2 to 3 months of preparation timing. The most time we are dedicating is for software configuration. Coming on to the most bottleneck and the most critical part, where the software configuration has to be done, is for 3 to 4 months. Integration with SAP and ERP, again 1 to 2 months. Testing and quality assurance, we are giving 2 to 3 months. Training and change management is about 1 to 2 months, and go live post implementation support is ongoing. So yeah, this is the overall timeline for SAP IBP implementation. For brief business case and promoting returns on investment, we have got six points over here, where it is cost saving, minimized downtime, improved supplier collaboration, data driven decision making, scalability for growth, and streamlined processes. So all of these points are the brief business case promoting return on investments. The overall ROI showcases cost saving for 40 to 50% and revenue potential for about 15 to 25%, making SAP IBP a strategic investment for excellence and success and sustainable growth in the renewable energy sector. These are the references which we used for the making of our presentation and for our help regarding the information uh, for the presentation and the topic. Thank you very much. Thank you, Professor, and everyone for going through the presentation with me. Have a very wonderful day.